first fucking in. What was it?
It's one of their own flares of the tracks went off.
No shit.
Down there.
Good old homeless camp, huh?
Yeah.
I guess I think they heat the tracks up or whatever. Oh man, we got a blaze.
Hooked up right there on the truck. Grab the hose.
Oh, they're already here?
Stay underneath.
Oh, really?
Look it.
I thought I heard a radio.
That's them right there.
Just grab a line and run it right down here and be done.
Right.
Where'd they drive around to? Where do the tracks drop down?
They go to the industrial area in the back over there.
Yeah.
And they come through, and then they come to a gate. But they gotta walk because they can't drive the truck.
Yeah, the one day on the east side, they burn up all the way from the Jay's down there. They burn up
On
from
the
like...
left side, you're looking at it. No hole.
Oh, shit. First in blaze, brothers. Outside fire, but we're blazing it. Oh, man. Oh, no, man. This is it. We got a cyclone. Dude, this is the best, man. We're first dude buffing a blaze and whistle dicking at the same fucking time. I can't believe this. Oh man, he's walking away from the blaze. I'm taking a blow right now as we speak. Oh. I don't know what they're gonna do. That's a blaze. I can hear it ripping. They're on Patapsco Avenue in Baltimore City. CSX rail line. Oh man, we're rolling HFS Pro Paint. We're going to repaint this bridge, brother. Oh man. Walking the dog. This brush drop is yay. I think I'm out of here. Oh, what they're gonna do. I could go down here into the homeless camp. Oh, there goes the cop. Oh man. Should we go down here and go check it out? Hopefully I don't get beat up by no homeless people. Oh, there she is, ripping away, Blaze Town. Oh. Up in the guts of it, son. Oh no, my phone's about to die. Go figure. Oh, we're first in. Nobody else is here. I was driving down Patapsco Avenue, headed down to Brooklyn. Oh man, it's ripping all across here. You can see it all the way on the other end. I don't know where 58 engine is. Oh shit, brothers. It's getting tight down in here. I think we need a pickup truck with a Detroit load in the rear of it. We could stretch off of that with the old Detroit bundle. Oh man. I don't know where 58 engine went, but if they don't show up, I'm about to bounce because brush jobs are gay. Alright, well, I'm gonna take one more look, and then if not, I'm leaving. I've had enough. These guys aren't gonna put this out. A bunch of bums. Oh man, this is aggressive as shit, dude. Holy fuck. We're up in it, dude. God damn, son. Woo woo, I'm getting buffed. Oh man. Alright, I'm out this bad boy. The boys are about to put it out.